Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making fluffy Syrniki, super easy Russian cottage cheese pancakes packed with protein. Let's get into it.
First things first, make sure your cottage cheese or farmer's cheese is nice and dry.
Do you need 4 eggs or 2 eggs?
Now, toss the dry cheese into a bowl with egg yolks, a bit of sugar, vanilla, and a pinch of salt.
Sugar is yummy. Sugar is yummy. And yucky. And yucky. What did I just say? Vanilla. Which one? This one?
Okay, teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Gently stir in the flour just until it comes together. Don't overdo it or they get tough.
Hey! No, Jane, don't do that.
For my tummy. Yeah, it's yummy for his tummy for some reason. Boom!
The dough should feel soft but easy to shape. Roll the dough into a log, cut it into pieces and gently flatten them into thick patties, about 1 to 1.5 inches.
Banana, chicken, banana, chicken, banana, 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 chicken, banana.
If you liked it, smash that like button, subscribe for more easy recipes, especially that tvorog one coming soon, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!